Some masterpieces are found, not made. Left in silence, forgotten by time. But even legends can fall from grace. Their brilliance dimmed, their luxury obscured. It's a spectre, and its time has come for resurrection. Welcome to LuxeResto, where forgotten luxury is found and rebuilt. Today, we unearth a ghost, a $450,000 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Let the extreme detailing begin. From darkness to light, our journey with the Spectre begins in our state-of-the-art facility. Every speck, every grain, a meticulous dry clean to remove decades of neglect.
Next, a gentle, yet potent citrus degreaser, breaking down the heaviest grime without harsh chemicals.
The snow bath, encapsulating dirt, lifting impurities, preparing for a touch-free cleanse.
Then, a meticulous rinse, washing away the past, revealing hints of its former glory.
A gentle touch, hand washing with the finest pH-neutral shampoo, ensuring no micro scratches.
No detail too small. The intricate wheels, meticulously cleaned, bringing back their original luster. The final touch of the initial wash. A gentle dry, preventing water spots and preparing for the next stage. Before any correction, we analyze, measuring paint thickness to ensure a safe and perfect finish.
Under harsh light, the imperfections reveal themselves. Years of neglect have left their mark.
The clay bar, decontaminating at a molecular level, pulling out what the wash left behind.
Then, the first stage of correction. A cutting compound, meticulously removing deeper scratches and oxidation.
The transformation is immediate. A clear line between the past and the future of this paint. Next, refinement. A delicate finishing polish, bringing out an unparalleled depth and mirror-like shine. The paint correction complete. The black, now a liquid canvas, ready for ultimate protection.
A final prep. Every surface cleansed, ensuring flawless bonding for the ceramic shield.
And finally, ultimate protection. A multi-layer ceramic coating, locking in the gloss for years.
Infrared curing, accelerating the bond, ensuring a rock-hard, hydrophobic finish. The exterior is reborn. Now, the inner sanctum, the Spectre's true soul.
Every fiber, every thread, removing years of accumulated dust and debris. The fine leathers, gently cleansed, revealing their natural softness and scent.
Deep into every crevice, sterilizing and refreshing with the power of steam.
Nourishment for the hide, protecting and moisturizing, ensuring longevity and that luxurious feel.
The galaxy above, each star meticulously polished, reigniting the ethereal glow.
The rich details, polishing fine woods and metals to their original, exquisite brilliance.
Every surface perfected, ready to envelop its passengers in unparalleled luxury once more.
The face of a legend. The imposing grille, returned to its commanding presence.
Crystal clear vision. Applying advanced ceramic protection to all glass surfaces.
The foundation. Tires dressed to a perfect satin finish, completing the exterior stance.
Every accent, every line, polished to perfection, catching every ray of light.
Often unseen, never forgotten. The door jambs, immaculate and protected.
The final layer of brilliance. A ceramic detail spray, enhancing gloss and slickness.
Open the portal. Step into a world where luxury
knows no bounds. The silent whisper. The electric drive, gliding with effortless grace.
Every curve, every live. A testament to engineering, perfected by craftsmanship.
From abandoned relic to resurrected icon.
The sanctuary within, where every journey is an occasion and every detail matters.
This is the LuxeResto signature, the art of the ultimate resurrection.
From supercars to yachts, watches to jets, what luxury machine should we bring back to life next? Tell us in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe for more extreme luxury transformations, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next resurrection.